What's up, guys? Welcome to So Freaking Good. I'm Sophia, and today we are making almond stuffed chocolate covered dates because I am extra lazy and you don't need any equipment to make this recipe. I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's so freaking good. Open each date in half and add an almond into each date half, pressing the date around the nut until you get something vaguely spherical. Then simply dip each date half into some melted chocolate and set it aside on a plate. Now we're just going to stick these in the freezer until the chocolate has hardened. Almond stuffed chocolate covered date bites. They're so freaking good.
Yes.
Ta-da! Okay, that's good. I just start recording, Lena. You flush the toilet, the timer goes. What?
No.
Okay.
Have you talked about how you discovered it? Because you were lazy. So. Lazy!